So here we are at a lovely, lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bath home on River Road in Upper Black Eddy, PA. And we're gonna go inside here and do a quick little video tour. Nice little closet space. Fantastic view of the river. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. There from the living room. This is our kitchen and dining area. Beautiful Simon Pierce hand-blown glass pendant lamp comes with it. And there we are. And bathroom is just exquisite. Such nice details. Great lighting. Real wood. Subway tile, really nice depth. I love the design of the tub. Okay. Great little lighting details. Three-car garage outside. This farm door. And this is our primary suite, or primary bedroom. Wake up to the fantastic view of the river every morning, so lovely. Pretty sizable closet. We're going to have to do the downstairs basement. Some ceiling tiles that need to be replaced here. I believe they wanted to, some of the pipes really need to be wrapped because they do condense. The oil furnace for heat, water heater. Cedar planking there, very cool. There's the other room. Slate tile floor. Here's our utilities. Second bath. Okay. There's a water conditioner there. This is the well housing. This stairwell goes up through the Bilco doors and out. This is a humidity. This regulates humidity, so if the humidity level goes up, it has a little comfort zone and exhausts from there up. Okay, they have had some issues on the base there, so we do have some moldings that need to be replaced. Again, the basement does take on water. It's a river house, so it has certainly seen flooding. Most recently, we had some leakage in the drain pipe for the washing machine, and that came away, and so we had a little bit of water from there. But there are some pumps to mitigate the water and pull that away. One of them being over here. Alrighty, I'll turn that fan back on. And we'll come back up. Let's see the backyard. Perfect for entertaining. The towpath canal, D&L Trail is right there. And the canal beyond it. You'll always have that forever view of the sun sets in that direction. Now we have a 3-car garage, and also has a workspace in the side. And down to the driveway. There we go. Yeah, wonderful, wonderful place. Thrilled to be showing it, and I think it's really special. Just a wonderful house on the river, and I have some video of going down to the river as well that I'll attach to this. And beautiful, beautiful space. Hope you love it. Let me know if you'd like to see it. Again, it's Lee O'Malley. I am a realtor with Weichert Realtors in Doylestown, PA, and would love to work with you at any time. Don't hesitate to reach out. All of my information is in my bio. All the links for my link tree. Reach out whatever way is best for you, and let me know how I can help you with any real estate need you have. Thanks so much.